At Franklin Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we have a large selection of new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs. Our Franklin dealership is full of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram experts with many years of experience. Come find the right vehicle for you.
The 2015 Jeep Renegade, built for pioneers. The standard 1.4-liter inline-4 multi-air turbo engine system varies the volume of air consumed by the engine according to driving conditions, resulting in better performance and lower fuel consumption. Paired with a 6-speed manual or class-exclusive 9-speed automatic transmission with remarkable efficiency and virtually unnoticeable shifts between gears. Richness and refined utility are standard in the Renegade, with the versatility to carry almost any piece of gear you have and the technology you want. Like a 6.5-inch info display, you connect with navigation and voice-activated connectivity. The Renegade has what you want, where you want it. The all-new 2015 Jeep Renegade offers a host of active and passive safety and security features, including 7 standard airbags, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, protection when and where you need it. The new 2015 Jeep Renegade, an invitation to adventure.
Franklin Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Our committed sales staff prides themselves in satisfying customer inquiries and automotive needs. Give us a call or stop in to see us today at 1124 Murfreesboro Road in Franklin, Tennessee.